Are you going trick-or-treating? What are you going to be for Halloween?
A dragon.
Oh, a dragon?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna scare you.
I know, that is scary. Did Johnny tell you what he's going to be?
What's going to be Johnny?
He's gonna be like my costume, the Spider-Man.
A
I'm
Ghostbuster.
gonna show my Spider-Man to him.
Thank you. Parents, you're welcome to pull up a chair to their table too, wherever they're sitting, if you want to. Oh, somebody lost a leg. So like that or like this. Sometimes if you turn them upside down, the legs stick out really cool.